Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on restoring a VM from a snapshot in the Oracle Linux Virtualization Manager. You can use a snapshot to restore or revert a virtual machine to a previous known state. In this video, we revert a VM to a previous snapshot and commit the action. So let's get started. We begin by clicking Host from the top of the dashboard to view the available KVM hosts. From our list, we'll select our KVM03 host. The General tab opens with details about it. Now let's click the Virtual Machines tab to view the VMs running on it. Under the name column, we'll select test-vlan03 to view details about that virtual machine. Now we'll click the Snapshots tab. Here you can view the available snapshots. At the time of this video, our VM had 3 snapshots plus the active VM one. But before we go any further, we must shut this VM down, and we'll do that from this page. Along the top, we'll click Shutdown, and then click OK on the confirmation window, and then wait for the notification that the VM is down before we proceed. From the list on the screen, we'll use the VLAN-030521-1047 snapshot to restore our VM. And then we'll select Custom from the Preview drop-down list. This brings up the Custom Preview snapshot window. Notice the checkboxes in the top half of the window. You can use these checkboxes to select the memory and the disk you want to restore. This allows us to customize the snapshot and restore our VM using the configuration in the disk from multiple snapshots. We'll then click OK to initiate the task. Shortly after, the status icon of the active VM changes to a lock icon, locking our VM to its state before the preview. A notification event appears when the preview of the snapshot is complete, and the icon next to our snapshot changes to the eye icon. At this point, we could select Run from the top of the pane and restart our VM using our snapshot. The VM would boot using the disk image of the snapshot, and then after it's up, we could preview the snapshot and verify the state of the virtual machine. Or we could select the undo option and deactivate the snapshot and return the VM back to its previous state. Another option is clicking Commit, permanently restoring the VM to the condition of the snapshot, and that's what we're going to do in this demonstration. After clicking Commit, the Commit snapshot window appears. The caution note in it states that existing snapshots taken after this one will be erased. Shortly after clicking OK, the VLAN-03-1100 snapshot disappears from the list. Also note that the icon on the -1047 snapshot changes from the eyeball to the camera icon. On the Compute Virtual Machines page, you would expect to see an hourglass icon indicating our VM is in the lock state while the system is restoring from the snapshot. After the restore completes, the VM appears in the list of virtual machines in the down state. Simply click Run to start the VM. This concludes the presentation. Thanks for watching.